30K. 30K for the 1.3. This song is for wifey. I think of that one there. And this song is for wifey.
I gave my all and you fell in the deep end. You done came into my life while I was sinking. I've been on that type of time, I've been demon. All the time I was outside, I was sleeping.
It was love at first sight,
Girl, when you walk in, couldn't look deep in your eyes, cause I've been hiding. You was hurting deep inside and it was broken. But I was on the other side and didn't know it. Oh, I won't waste no time.
I won't waste my time when it comes to you.
Put my pride aside, give it all to you.
One way true, and I apologize, and feelings there, Why would you want to speak with somebody like me with a bad reputation? Like, me have a, when I talk about like mix up wise, because everybody have them time when them do mix up.
Why?
But me, like, have a OF and me do stuff like that.
Tell you why? My baby mother make sure say my reputation done. So why not? Birds of a feather flock together. Me not no good reputation neither. Come on. We're being honest here.
Not funny, not funny.
No, me not have a good reputation either.
Not funny.
So definitely, why not? Birds of a feather flock together.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean.
Alright, second question. So okay, the vibes, guys. Guys, what's my next question?
And I say go. We are bringing it from we pass and go.
You
Guys
asked
don't know we pass.
the chat. You did ask
Them
the
don't know
chat.
we pass.
You did ask the
You
chat.
remember it from your heart and ask the question them. Them don't know the past. A couple of years that well. Only me and you alone know what really happened.
Okay, boom. If we was to see each other tomorrow to go, like suppose me did for link up and you would go like plan a date, what would the date be like for the first time? What the first date would look like?
Normally, I wouldn't be a talker. I would be more of a shower. But let me just talk and done. So for the first date, it can be simple. Like, I can't just see and say, hi, hello, let's go eat lunch. Like, I have to pull up with a bouquet of flowers. The flowers are going to on my front seat, though. So when I pull the door, the first thing I see are the bucket of flowers. I know woman and I love looking at the mirror in the front seat, you know. So I just stuff some rose up there, so too. So when I pull that, the whole light just drop down in your face. You see me? Yeah. After that now, I will take you out to dinner. You see me? Get the whole menu, pick what you want, do what you want. After that, I don't have a room set up with roses, everything drop on the ground. And you know what romantic people do? Yeah, basically. It's a lot of more things, but we can't really put in a details. You see me?
I can work with that.
Can't really put in details.
Wow, that is very romantic.
After that, brother, I'm go on the bed now. Nothing happen after that. She just see the nice room with flowers them on the ground and, you know? Yeah, the end.
No. Something will happen after that. This is your life is short. It's very short.
How much question that? 2?
2, come.
Oh.
Our top chat.
Alright, team. Our game this now, chat.
No, give me a more question, chat. Me have more question.
I have question to team.
Me have more question.
Me know I'm going to show in a while ago, team. I could play now, chat. Come on.
Why?
We could play now, team. Ready, chat. Everybody use a double together now, team. We know we can win.
Thank you, my
We
love.
can go together now, chat. Baby, thank you, darling. Everybody go together now, team.
I've been
Go
short.
together, chat.
Sweet.
Alright.
Oh,
Yeah,
shit.
thank you, darling.
Thank you,
Everybody
my
go
love,
together,
guys.
chat. Go together.
Thank you, my love.
Thank you. Go together,
Thank you,
team.
my
Go
love.
together. Go together. Go
Beauty.
together.
Thank you,
Yeah,
baby.
no, okay, baby.
Thank you,
Thank
my
you,
love.
darling. Go together,
Thank
chat.
you,
Go
baby.
together. Go
Tiny,
together,
I'm just
please.
saying
Go
tiny
together.
because you have a
Yeah,
whole.
big up.
Oh
So
shit.
we're not on a wheel. Yeah, man. Livia.
Me
Thank you,
ask
sweetheart.
question. We don't
That don't follow
have stop it
Livia.
in a sensation. We have to stop it.
Kevin, big up me there. Thank you, bro. Chat to no follow up Kevin too. See them there in a bubble. You have Livia, Kevin there in a ghost. And Tara, Shiana, big up yourself, darling. Catch me if you can. Yeah, should I get too comfortable and ask too much question now?
And we can't use no gloves, guys, because it's a no gloves game,
Gloves,
you know, so
gloves
no
not play,
gloves.
team. Gloves not play. Baby! Catch me if you can. Catch
I'm a
me
runner,
if you
I'm a
can.
track star. Runner and a track star, guys. Run them down.
Catch me if you can.
It's like a movie.
Let me ask you a question. You saw the media do though, right? You realize that the media
Where is
force
that?
it? I mean, I don't realize that the media force this.
Yes, because they see, they like what they see. So when they like what they see, they will continue to make what they want happen. That's what the media are there for.
You like
It's
what
like it's like being at a school and have principals and guidance counselor to guide you in the right path.
So you like what you see?
Yes. You like what you see?
Just a little bit.
Chop it up. Come guys, one donut. We still can.
Everybody said a rose team.
I have a spicy question.
Everybody said a rose. That now go save you. Not
Tell me one spicy question.
Yeah.
Una show when me get for
Nah,
ask
but
that
see, you
spicy
now win.
question there. Me have
Nah, see,
one
you now
spicy
win.
question. Me have one spicy question.
That? You know me I go ask next down. Y'all thinking what I'm thinking?
Tricky my tricky. You don't know the little booster. Come
Yes,
on,
me
Tad. Double guys,
Y'all
flying
thinking
jet,
what I'm
flying jet,
thinking?
flying jet. Me have a
Come
bad
in, let me see
question.
if me
Flying
and I
jet.
think the same way.
Ask it.
Come in.
That flying jet, There are
Baby, thank you, my darling team. Everybody use the double chat. Use the double
Tashana, thank you.
I'm gonna try play now. Use the double chat. Use the double team. Push it up.
Then the light, ding 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 ding.
Yeah.
Then the light, ding ding
Use the double chat. Use the double. Use the double.
Then the light, ding ding ding. Birdie, smile, thank you, baby. You didn't name the baby.
You know, long want to ask some question.
No, I didn't get a chance to. Unruly, thank you, my love. Guys, we can catch up back. Oh, 30.
Garfield, thank you, you know. Chat on the follow a gift of them in the bubble, baby. For money there, darling. Big up yourself.
30,000. I thought it was 13. Murder for Samantha. You see the page where them make when them Javani? The page come over here with 21 followers and leave with 1,000. Chan. OB! The baddest, toughest selector. Clock it. One OB. Guys, make sure to stream OB music. What you want to ask me now?
You playing with me?
Gary! Gary, what more?
You nobody want me ask the question until you done. You're not
I'm
going.
anxious.
You're not win. So you want me ask the question?
Yes.
What are your intentions towards me? Are you playing with me?
No, listen, me not laugh. I just love laugh. I show you ask. Okay, go again. I beg your pardon me.
What is your intentions towards me? Are you playing with me?
No, I think I'm just going with the flow because if you turn left, I can turn left, you know. If you turn right, I can turn up. If you slip, you slide. So I'm just going with the flow, you know. Go with the flow. If you go smooth, I just go smooth. If you go, I just go with the flow. But we're not playing the games. I'm just being honest.
Man, I know such a smart. I play with Miss Janice right now. She's intelligent.
No, but you see, people real to me, me can be one of the most loyal girlfriend, auntie, mother, friendship with the come on to us. Friend, the same energy you show me, just the same energy me go give back. I just some mistake. Even you, me could have grow together with loyal. If you snitch on me or you slip, not because you probably do something good for me that mean to say me forever to have that fear use against me. If you slip, you slip. If you chill, you chill. But right now, I'm just go with your flow.
So the last question. Is there still some feelings for me? Somewhere in that heart?
Does it show?
Well, where I see something.
Well, yes. Because, let me tell you, I know you was gonna come around and I just have to wait on the timing.
You're lying.
No, I know, I had what it takes to get you. But I just didn't want to look like a fool. I just wait my turn, you know? Because everybody have their turn.
You fucking lying.
Yes. Yes. Yo, the people.
Alright, come.
What would be TikTok without the comment section? Guys, my time now. My time now.
You have to go fight my feet. You want it? You
My
have to go fight my feet. Want to tell you something? Chat on my one. Am I in our fair team? Mine or hers? Which one are we one? Now see me? Alright, chat. Use a double a team. Everybody play upon a double chat. Come in, team. Faith. Thank you, darling. The people, let me soon shout to know, man. I not forgot about you know. Chat. Use the first double team. Chat. Use the first double team. Use the first double chat. Use the first double. Give double. Give.
What happened?
Double. Give.
Love it tonight. I never see you shine so bright. Every time I was in the question, do you wanted a chance? Looking for a little romance. Looks like a better chance. Boy in red, you're dancing. Feel me hard to hurt me. Right now, every time I need a set. What happened?
Where are they? I run from a question there.
No, you freeze. I did a spin.
Oh, me. I did me.
Yeah. Come.
Alright, chat. Focus the team. Chat 216.
Okay.
We can work together and cut it down.
I got a song request. Guys, focus.
216 chat.
I mean,
Everybody can play upon a double team. We play a cut down. Play upon a double chat.
in the boy
Everybody use a double for the team. Use the double chat. Use the double. Original.
me have a question at my time now. My time now to ask the question. Him just ask no, at my time now.
Chat, play same way. Make sure fight for your question team. Play my side. Make sure fight for your question team. Everybody we can play chat.
Wait. No, sir, they have to give me laughing drop.
It's you. on the team. Can you stop that thing? But we share only do what we know. But the love so strong, and I can see. Get me interest, get me interest, get me interest. Ever, love it up. One day you're the one where like girl.
One and a team.
Get me interest.
Starboy, they can't win.
One and a team.
Me
One and
ask
a
the question, Starboy. Me ask
One
the
and a
question.
chat. One and a.
Starboy,
One
I
and
don't
a
know
team.
anything to
Thank you, ladies. Thank you, darlings. Thank you. All right, team. Wait for the double chat.
Starboy, no me things to say. You know Ryan.
Use the double team. Use the double chat. Use the double team.
Go
Use the
ahead.
double chat. Make Shabby 5 feet. Use the double chat.
Double. My question now. Me have
Use the double chat.
touchy question. All right. See that never tell you.
Lord God, team try now. Remember we are ranked team. Try chat. Everybody over here we can push
Love
that.
them.
Remember we are
Them
ranked
just
team.
coming like one.
Use the double chat.
We call it one robot.
Use
So
the
what
double team.
the
Remember we
word
are
for
ranked
that?
team. Everybody we can use the double. Use the double chat.
Hold it out. Pipe down. You're gonna answer this question, okay? You don't got no coming back.
Don't make up them man. Alright. Even if you don't want to win chat, remember we are ranked. So when the speed done, beg on something same way then. Beg on something then chat. Cause we have a rank same way team. Even if you don't want to make sure win. Just don't pass her.
See, the girl is girls.
Just
I
don't
knew
pass her.
you had that little soft heart in you. I know you love me, girl. She be a girls and get. Oh, you're such a girls. Thank you.
Chat, everybody said I got
Thank you, my love. 1 star boy. I want to ask my question now.
If we really want to win, we can snipe in about. Ask the question. Cause
Yeah, we
them want you ask it, man.
Better than count. So,
Yeah.
is that little prince of yours grow or is still at the same size? I'm sorry. Wait, yes, that's the question.
The Prince Sterling our king and all.
Okay, all right.
Prince Sterling our giant, you know?
All right. Next question. So, how long is it going to take you to go by the embassy?
So you're actually serious about that?
How long is it going to take you to go to the embassy? I heard you just need a interview date or something. I don't know it work.
Yeah, I have the links. I already have the links and everything.
Oh, you do? So how long is it going to take you to go by the embassy?
Yeah, since you asked, I mean, pretty soon.
Okay. Alright.
Hey, you're not changing, you know? You just get right to the point.
Yeah?
You don't change one bit, you know? You just get right to the point.
Yes. Short.
This girl is not change, you know? She just get right to the point.
Like a something me and look, right?
Alright.
Yes.
Since you got another them personal question, then come. You with our number 3. Our time for you ask the question now, so everybody play. Alright. Everybody play right as a number 3. Like we ask a question.
You can never win when Starboy is here. Do you know who Starboy is? Do you know who Tasha is?
We make a win a while ago.
No. You don't know who Starboy. Let me tell you something. Starboy is the king of him. And I shoot him.
I guess I don't know some of them people are over here then. My team, use a double editor.
The concept.
Come on, the team, our time no chat. Use the double team.
Dim like
Use the double chat team.
Ross referee.
Use the double chat. Mighty God.
You ever see those gifts like the We call him something of them. We call him something of them. In a fast two. No, we call it, guys, the robot something. No, transformer. You see the transformer gift them? Starboy, thank you. Transformer gift them. I wish them did have them look longer, like play up on the screen longer, body of fat. And when you're looking at my eyes, are you sinking in like Titanic? Yeah, my Monday, I had me don't catch you so Titanic.
Chat, so we have a bonus a team. Chat, make we use it at our time in our team. Make we use it a triple team. So everybody were there, we can use me say, me nah come, you nah get no followers from me a man, you know. You better help me win the match. Me say, you nah get no followers from me a man, you know, help me. Alright. Follow you. I soon tell you who you go follow. Go on, man.
Why the fuck me a want so? The one fuck where you give me a stop. You have a woman on your yard that me want come. One time I did think me wouldn't want you. And when me looking at your eyes when you think it,
Get the screenshot.
me and the man on me yard and my waiting on your belly then speed it.
Team, now make sure this chat, no. Because now focus. Focus chat.
Yo, that song get raw till it can't run no
Alright,
more.
team, play upon the triple chat. Team, a triple, you know. Some teamwork can do it, chat. Play upon the triple. Look at me, stanky darling. Play upon the triple chat. Play upon the triple team.
Starboy!
Everybody together. K, baby, thank you, darling. K, you know, playing bigger one,
My
darling.
question them now.
Play upon the triple chat. Play upon the triple team. Play upon the triple chat. Chat, we can do this.
Thank you, my
No,
love.
we can do this.
Times three.
We can do this in a team. No, we can do this, bro.
Sandy, thank you, baby.
Thank you, darling. Team, we can do this, you know. No, we can do this, bro.
But me get two of them
19.
Starboy shit. Yes! 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 The blood clot! Yes! I told you! Pipe down. This is Starboy. This is Shauna. This is Tasha. This is Pebbles. Say you want me. Just kidding. Don't like that, Papi.
Say she honey, she want me to fuck it out, brawling. Skin it out like Ivani. Yes, I want it.
So nobody with.
Too much balling. Skin it out like Ivani. Me say the skin it out like Ivani.
Skin it out. Me no feel.
Pretend shy, you build up a sex drive, so you know for bed right.
Skin it out like IVANY. No, you're mad. Me can't. No. You don't do that tonight. No. You got to look like a lady. TikTok can restrict me, guys. Say you want me.
Chat. Why you not focus? And me alone are focusing, you know. And me alone they are focusing, you know. Me alone locked in and a focus. Focusing more than ever. But we lose still. Big up on yourself. Me love for you. Me love for you, bro. Big up on yourself, man. Me love for you. That means she not actually win if like how she freeze then, though. Alright, team. Watch out now. I could take a breather and go on easy. Chat. Why you not help me win, bro? I know, I don't like something I know we can win in a chat. I know we can win, team. I know we can win, chat. Alright, watch out now. Wanna tell me what the motive so I can understand what we are the writer. So what's the motive? What are we doing? Is that only just set me up and just a control things or what? What are we doing, gang? Talk to me. Talk to me, man. What we over here, though? My God, I'm there, so I'm nervous, you know. Nervous, bro. Me I catch anxiety. Take a shot now. Alright, darling. Alright, darling. Anything you wanna say alive? You wanna say one shot? One shot. Now tell me when you start work back properly, yeah? You doing okay? I'm trying my best, darling.
The carpet. You know,
No, wait, Wi-Fi plug on.
pussy put in the video, make me want it. You know, crosses.
My flawless. Put my pussy for your dick and make us start sex.
Your pussy put it down in the carpet. You know, have it.
Why? Lord Jesus. Alright. I'm sorry for the inconvenience just now. So I want everybody big up. Thank you. My Wi-Fi share code. No. Shit, what was the question? Oh. Damn, I had the question in my head, y'all. Hold on. Fuck. I get confused. I'm gonna get the question in my head.
Come out, darling.
Okay, I will do it. Okay. So my question is, because I have to ask him, I'm on a very speed level, you know. Should I wait for you to text me or should I text you first? Because you might get off and don't text me.
Done.
Okay. Okay. Alright. Next question. Do you believe in long distance relationship? Or do you think there's
Yeah, of course. Come always turn long distance in a short distance eventually. So I mean, I don't mind.
Sister Gala come? I can manage that.
It not gonna be short distance for too long. I don't mind.
Yourself, Auntie Vanny.
Yo, me that my youth. Where I'm here, brother. You can't stay one
We're
place.
Jaden.
No, listen up. I just like to give couples their moment, bro. Cause I mean, my couple moment, my moment, you know.
That was good. Yo, that was me there as well. Me there as sweat your fuck.
Answering question. You want to join Jabas?
Let me
So
tell
if you get the lowest score, you ask the questions. Maybe you have something spicy
Yeah,
for us.
you ask we.
No, I'm alright, darling. I'm alright.
Huh?
I'm alright, man. I'm alright.
Wait. Bro, come on.
Cause I be a peer pressure thing in the panel, my youth.
Let me ask you a question, Jabas. Now you put me blood clear right aside in first place.
Oh my God, my Jaden.
Now you put me right aside in first place.
Our work is done here.
Alright.
One more work we want to give you.
1-1, you win. 1-1.
We not
Man,
see
God
him.
bless.
You not
Thank
see
you.
who?
1-1 chat.
We
1-1,
not
you
seeing
win.
Jabas. Wait.
1-1.
Wait.
Chat, use that double for me, them team.
Wait. Jabas, nobody not see you. Wait.
I'm glad, darling.
Stop.
So
Javi,
then
go on and come back. They're not seeing you. Go on and come back.
I mean, then I say, Javi.
No, Javi, they're not see.
Oh, Javi, go and come, Javi.
You know see me? That's all on depending on my ears. Deep breath, deep breath, deep breath. And then now help me if ask no question. Me I go end my life, you know, me I go away. Cause I know I fling me under anxiety, I like I know I make a chart attack on the right or so. Go back over there.
There's a
I think
time
I'm
when
gonna go.
people,
True. As I'm telling them to leave it alone. As I'm telling them to leave it alone, I'm a chat because I don't understand what them are going with.
they are sudden go on daily. I don't know. Oh, I gotta restart. Hold on.
Tell her restart
If
for
I
what?
should restart, I'll be back.
Oh, that I see them now, see. Shit.
Vanny over here saying like what go on and say, oh, Maga man have a buzz, say, oh, your body big. And she can't wait to feel it again. You ever attack and kill him dead, me that go chat you with him. You know me that go tell back everything, cause how we do it.
That
Me
is
just,
it.
me just talk to hear what him have to say, but me I tell you what him say.
That is it, my dog. That's sweet, man.
I say, yeah, he say, Maga man have a buzz. So me go say to him, say,
She know the size. She know the size. At them time, me a youth, it get bigger.
yeah, so me go say to her, say, if she,
Maybe I'm internet.
yeah, man, I say, same thing I say to bro.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, so you're
Me
good
just
with
love the
that.
energy walk one dog. Them my energy, bro. This is energy for a long
I
time, bro.
see him styling papaya a while ago. See him styling papaya.
I thought we style matter, bro.
What kind of
I
style?
see him styling papaya, Javi. You?
What is she talking about, Javi?
You there chat me and we come here change the topic.
No, Javi would never do that. Javi no sit and discuss you.
You.
Yeah? No, let me tell you, Vanny, me that child what you tell me say, nah, sit down and say, and do the style with them.
That is the adding that to make me believe.
Yeah, Lord God, Vanny, me that tell him what.
Francis, how are you? What them do that chat me say, guys, tell me. Them do that
Use up the
chat.
double now, chat. Use the double team. Use the double.
That bigger somebody first double.
Use the double chat. First double.
Him said them.
Yeah, the first double chat. Chat, away 13,000 people at over here if you not use something of them.
Them are going to use the figure. Them are going to use it. Look at now.
Jaden, come.
That first double team.
LP, thank you, baby. Jaden, come.
First double.
Brother, I have to put gift, bro. I have to put gift.
First double chat.
What do you WhatsApp, man? Use every time I call you WhatsApp, you just hang up. I hang up your call. What? Tisha.
Two questions that you ask you now.
Jumpstart. Thank
We
you.
don't pay Jabas the mind. Jabas are just Cupid. We still ask each other question.
May I just what?
Cupid.
What's the meaning of Cupid chat?
Yan, thank you, darling.
Take the arrow from Cupid. Suck your mama.
We have one.
Yeah, Chad. Chad, but me ask a question.
Oh, love you, Angel. That good something. Say, all
Me
right.
ask a question at team.
Think I did something bad.
But me ask a question at Chad.
Oh, matchmaker. All right, no problem. I can read
Ask a
that.
question there. Here, Chad. But me ask a question there. So me go win that match.
Thanks for the sweet life.
Me
Big
have
up.
two now. Me have two. Me want
Woman have got thanks for the darling.
Yo, I know this chocolate.
Come team, serious time now, chat. Who can drop a Galaxy team? Drop a Galaxy for me. Anybody can drop a Galaxy chat? Drop a Galaxy for me, the team. I don't know if we are catching speed in a car. We're in a three-way.
Jabat, can you get back with my ex? No, darling, because you're wicked. I walk up on the boy and time.
I believe in my team, man. My team are going to win this. Trust me. If they want to win it, then can win it, chat. Them woman over here, so they not normal here. If they want to win the match, them going to win it. Trust me. But just have to follow what them do.
And then everyone who you clean and fresh, you know, me like one food. I got the boy juice. Hey, blood, like I just wait till my whole
Love it when you wine and balance. I want to catch you right.
boy like my dance.
And when you
Catch it and you set it on one hand. Shake up your ass, girl, wine and galang. Step in your garden and dig it like Adam. Girl, your pussy clean in the smell like Aram. Your pretty little
Ask
feet.
the question,
Like
bro.
you
Come
wave
on,
in the
team.
eye, we can't
Everybody we can push up his score team, push up his score chat.
Gucci and Lulu.
you watch everything do and you know.
Your pussy wetter than the river.
Don't you this long time, girl, me want Jabba Salad to play the party turn up, you know.
Me say, I eat me a video, I only video me I make up there.
Alright,
Miss
chat. Push up
Sis.
some more. They shouldn't realize it. Push up some more, chat. Push
Time
up.
me have two important questions to ask.
Kerita, chat to no follow Kerita there, please. Thank you, darling, from Bahamas.
Two important questions to ask. So, you don't know this?
Where I tell me if you jump for?
Not tell if you jump, brother. You know, see, I'm in chat, me, I talk to my youth. Go on. No?
But remember say, me and Jaden talk on the phone and say, when we go, so if you jump.
No. No, you me I talk, man, bro. Stay away there, bro. Stay away there, bro.
Yo, Jabba's terrible. Play this song, oh no, I hear it
Stay
again.
away there, man, my brother. You're good.
You not left me with that cloth. Me love your loyalty.
Yeah, and Jaden, I'm a brother.
No matter how more I run a race.
Yeah, and Jaden, I'm a brother.
I like that about you.
I want to take me out of my shell. You know, I'm a dog for life.
That is it,
Observe,
turtle.
you are going to talk baby.
No, a mistake, you know. Yeah, and Jaden, I'm a
Jabba's
sister.
bar open and them link
Snap,
up.
guys, Snapchat,
And Jaden, I'm
snap.
a sister. Come on, team. Snipe together, chat. 30 seconds.
Yeah, but me know.
30 seconds, chat. Snipe together, team.
Snap.
Snipe together.
Chat,
Ali,
Galaxy.
come in, team.
Guys,
Come in.
snap. Wheel.
Push up his
Snap,
square.
Everybody
team,
snipe
snap.
together, teams. Galaxy, wheel.
Guys,
Which
wheel,
is people?
snap.
Ali, thank you, baby.
Oh, no, you push up his
Galaxy,
square.
wheel. Anything
Guys,
we can
snipe,
drop,
chat,
team.
snipe,
Snipe it,
oh
chat.
God.
Snipe it, chat. Ali,
Guys,
thank you,
snap
sweetie.
up.
Galaxy, wheel. Anything we can drop.
Yo,
Alright.
chat,
Snipe
snipe
up,
up,
team.
snipe up.
Snipe up, chat. Snipe up. Snipe up.
Love.
Yes.
Love,
Yes.
thank you,
Yes.
baby.
Yes. Ali, thank you, my baby. Jabas, remember you're not in this, you know. I just me and her ask questions.
Yeah.
Thank you, Keisha, thank you, baby. Love and fire, gold is tasty.
You ready?
Yeah, guys. That was all the way.
Why after all these years you make the tattoo stay upon your hand?
Cause me put it on for a reason. Some minutes I'm supposed to take it off.
Yeah, but I mean, you take off name, so why you make that one next year?
Because love was in the air.
I see. For so much years, you hold on to it.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Why next question?
You wanna ask that one, Jabas?
The hat.
Why the next question?
Let me ask him.
Alright, ask me, bro. Ask me now, you don't volunteer, my youth.
Me go ask. We got it.
Ask me now. What go on?
Me go ask.
Why don't you say me averaging?
Actually, but Vani, do you want to have another baby?
Yes, I want a daughter. I got me something on my God, I'm so awesome.
Figure you hear that? A baby that cute.
I think so.
Yes.
Yeah, good done.
Yeah, man. Me see one picture I circulate. I wonder if I in a rooms then see it.
My friend, when me see my friend. Hey,
No, but you know, say AI they can come to life. If you only believe and have faith.
Black, thank you. Black Joe. Guys, me have two questions again.
Use a double F for my team. Use the double chat. Double chat. Faith, thank you, chat. Remember to follow up the gift of them. You hear me, team? Hours now, but we can follow them same way, chat. Show them some love.
I'm glad me come out
Remember
for
to
this.
follow up the
Guys,
gift
go,
of them.
guys. My
side. Show
time
them
now.
some love,
Yes,
please. Ali,
Keisha,
thank you.
thank you.
Alright,
Thank
you're behind
you.
Ali now, chat.
Thank you, Shelly.
The original. Thank you, darling.
Sweet shade, thank you, baby.
Follow up Ali, chat. She na number one bubble.
No put gift. Put gift. And me and gift together right now over here, so no put gift. Tell me
Yeah, man,
girlfriend.
what?
Hey, me can't like Jabas, you know. Yo, me can't hear Jabas, man.
Let me tell you the truth, bro. You see, it want to know how to set the mood when it come on to music playing. You want them man with the candle and petal on the floor, figure it out.
Always.
And Vanny, you like them something not true. You like buck up in a room and surprise, make your heart beat. When you look and see be a green petal on the bed and on the floor, all both petal there.
Yeah, and roses, I like rose.
Roses, yeah, and you go and then you just come out the room and go in the fridge for one buckle of whipped cream.
Divine, me know your dog say ha, man. Me know.
I like whipped cream.
You like whipped cream? The guy told you like whipped cream too?
Just a little bit.
Yeah, not much, just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Jabas, why? Chat come, me have me question, me have one. You want to help me with the other one?
Don't worry, man, me help you. Glad me did come out for this.
Starboy, you have one question for me, ask?
Chat, we can do this, team. Everybody snipe up together, you know, my baby there. Everybody get Ali a follow for me, the chat. I only say I am.
Yeah, I'm going to buy with
deserve
him tomorrow morning. Why your question, Starboy? Ask him.
Don't read out aloud, Vanny.
No, I'm not right.
Snipe you up, chat. Snipe you up, team. Snipe you up. She ask question and the match not done yet. You can't sure say I go win with them. Look at the points, yeah.
No, me I go win at the comments very really funny.
Chat, snipe it. Snipe it, team.
Of course, obviously, it's on the internet.
What?
Huh?
There, man, alright, though.
Oh, God.
No, move fire, so Brandy, move fire, Brandy, before I block your Brandy. Brandy, move fire, Brandy. You're a home wrecker. Move fire before I block your Brandy. Where's like you have a badge? Careful where you come in.
Thank you, baby Chelsea. Chelsea.
Snipe team. Snipe chat. Snipe team.
Guys,
Oh, yeah,
wait.
thank you.
Read my comments, chat.
Snipe me team. Snipe chat.
Read my
Snipe
comments,
team.
chat. Thank you. I love you, baby. Bro, Jabba's gonna go steer for you on Jamaica's man.
I love what I go and I can't stand it. You know long me no love something so.
Hey, you see Jabba's?
I just only.
You see Jabba's chat?
Starboy, where did say? MV fucking P, let's go.
Alright, team. Do me a favor. Everybody follow Ali. Get Ali a follow the team. She there 647. If you don't love me chat, carry I got 1,000 for me there. Everybody follow up Ali team. She there 648 now chat. Follow her. Follow up Ali in our number one bubble chat. Gara follow. Follow up Ali for the team. Follow up Ali chat. Follow up Ali team. Everybody follow her together.
Okay, I have a question now.
This is me. I said this is a match and this match and I was short.
Almost reach your toes the chat. Get some follow.
So, this is something I know a long time. I know say always this, like, is a peacemaker. You like to be at peace. So do you think you know the type of person me is? Do you think Ivan is fit to be your peace?
I believe so if you're there with the right people, anybody can change for the better. You could have been the worst person ever. I feel like once your mind is at ease, your heart the way it's supposed to be, I feel like you can change it better, of course.
Okay.
People can change for what they want.
My next question is the next question I didn't know. Can you stay loyal to a person that you truly love or like?
That's easy.
Even if you guys live in two different countries. No, it's not. No. Remember, there's a blood Jamaican bloodline running in your blood.
Me have a loyal cocky. You see, once sit there with one person, the cocky they loyal to one person. That's easy. That's too easy.
Jabba's eyes tell me one different story, you know, and in my man.
Yeah, Jabba's not mine. Jabba's are just a cupid.
Nah, start rub that in my face over no man. Why you rub it in my face every minute?
You're just a cupid.
Start rub it in my
Just
face,
sit
man.
and you watch and observe.
You just sit and you watch.
Guys, thank you so much. You just sit and you watch.
Jabba say you just there to break the ice and make everything, you know? Let's go and break the ice, man.
Yeah, man, no problem.
Yes, he's the watchmaker. Oh! Blood!
And I watch them even say a match. But watch. It's my no watch.
Guys,
Chat, we have a triple team. You was a
That
triple.
first triple no make no so gift you know from them in the
First triple
darling.
chat. Alright, Ken.
Yes,
thank you,
remember,
darling.
thank you. Yes,
Everybody
shoot
use
now.
the first triple chat.
No, shoot.
Time now.
Yeah, shoot
Remember,
and shoot. A long time ago,
remember,
shoot.
Yes!
Shoot.
Use the first triple chat.
Shoot,
Prince,
shoot.
Javani, thank you.
Shoot, man.
What?
Live
Javani.
baby.
Javani, you know
Chop
where
like big up, bro.
Take it for the money gun. Star bar with that thing.
Yeah, shoot.
That gift is so
Javani, they got free
pretty.
money gun, you know.
Shoot. Yeah, shoot.
Javani, they got
Shoot,
free
no
money
shoot.
gun.
Oh.
You know
Shut
where
that
Oh my
I
game.
God, thank you. Yes, you
There was a
shoot.
person with a black
That to the fall.
PP.
I want the black
Thank you.
Chat to the follow
That's
number
so
two.
cute. They're right on the snow.
I don't know what the name is.
Super
Let me
cute.
go ahead and two of them.
Follow number two, bubble there.
That thank you.
Yo, I want to the internet, you know, in a ramp, you know.
Crying over
One thing with the internet, you know, bro, you know what's in a ramp? When you just go, decide things for yourself, what you want, and call it a day.
Go down the room for man.
Thank you, baby.
When you just don't want, bro. Channel.
Come here. Pull the fridge. I look at the
Why?
fridge. You have
That's
two
his- that's
small
his
but I
logo.
must stop. Bring one cup.
That's his other.
All our ladies them will shoot a while ago. Big up on no tightness and no
Chat,
cleanness.
follow celebrity,
Love 'em.
baby. How much followers she there? Let me see. She there 6,258. Let me see 200 more go up on her name team. Follow Javani. You know what you do, but me go shout out the page. Thanks the money go. Follow Ken Chat. Follow
That
Tree
page
Bubble
was
there.
at 21 followers and go almost 2,000 followers.
Yeah, almost at 2,000 followers.
And just thank you, baby. In less than a minute.
I want to go on over the page, make it there so much followers.
That was the way you have to take out.
How the vibe pay chat?
Please turn off the radio. A champagne job a pop over there?
Cheers to a new beginning, figure it out. Cheers to a new beginning, Ivani Wright. Success and a lot of greatness to come.
The people
Much
that pop up
acid in
them
them,
cup
man.
with the cheers.
Much acid in them. They might go like a soda. Champagne full of so much acid, man. A soda.
You can't drink it, I'm not really drinking it.
Me know. Well, them not know still, but me know.
One stick. One time I day and drink, I say I can't stop laugh. I laugh say I piss up myself. Who's I laugh so?
Then drink no.
So Javas, you ever laugh in the belly button cramp you? I laugh. I not get no joke, just sit up and laugh and say laugh. I like drink.
Soda, man. Come like a soda and then throw rum in it. Full of acid for.
What flavor?
Let name pink Moscato.
What's that?
Toasty Italia,
Snipe
dulce.
team. Watch her, you know. Watch her chat.
Snipe,
Watch
guys,
her.
on the snipe.
Watch her chat. She will snipe, man. Watch her.
Snipe.
Watch her chat. Watch her.
That not good for him. Chat on the snipe up.
Everybody
Snipe up.
snipe
Thank you, my
together.
love.
Team. Snipe together, chat. Snipe up together, team.
Guys, GSM
Ali,
one
thank you,
400
darling.
followers.
Snipe together, team. Snipe together, chat. She will
Thank
snipe.
you, baby. That's it, guys.
Snipe together, team. Snipe together,
Yeah, man,
chat.
you might lose that one. I
Ali,
know.
thank you,
Precious,
darling.
thank you, baby. Snap
Snipe
up.
together.
snap
We
up.
not lose that one, you know.
Guys, on the follow Gio. Follow
Yeah, thank you,
Gio.
darling.
Gio,
Follow up the bubble, them
400
chat.
followers. Follow
Touch your
Gio.
glove, touch your gloves, team. Touch your
All
glove,
right,
touch your
team.
glove.
Use it, chat. Everybody
Touch your
snipe
gloves, team.
together.
Touch your gloves, touch your gloves, team. Touch your gloves, touch your gloves.
Everybody snipe together, chat.
Touch your
Snipe
gloves,
together,
team.
team.
Touch your gloves, 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 team. Touch your gloves.
Then the
Snipe together,
transformer
chat.
now.
Okay, thank you, darling. Snipe together,
Transformer.
team. Snipe together, team. Pretty.
Touch your gloves, team. Touch your gloves, team. Touch your
Snipe
gloves.
together, team. Snipe together, team. That is it, my side. Wally Palova and respect.
MV fucking be a one time. Boy, thank you, my love. Slim.
Everybody click on
Black
celebrity.
Nut,
Follow
Tasty,
celebrity for
Tasty.
that, please.
Oh,
Follow
and
Follow Jamaican.
Kiara
Follow
Stardust. Starboy.
Top line, big up, bro.
Guys, all my
Follow
posts
all I
are
gift of them chat. Show
I'm
them
going to
some
somebody
love,
else do that
please.
stuff.
Top line, I beg you one wheel, bro, yeah?
What is it? Hold on. Damn, this hoe is all the way at 3 mil. It's crazy.
Alright. My first question. You willing for all the pum pum for me that time, eh?
We never hear the recite. To be that, I'm sorry. I'm laughing.
Willing for all the pum pum that time, eh, for me?
Yeah. Me liar. Nah, true, me love laugh. No, seriously. Seriously. The comment. No,
Next
no.
question.
No, I'm not me serious. I true, me love laugh.
What your heart I tell you?
Huh?
What is your heart telling you?
My heart, tell me. My heart is telling me that my baby daddy come back and I should take him back. That's what it tells me.
That's so sweet, you fuck. Say it again, Valley. Go.
No, without.
Ask him again, figure. Tell him say never hearing that breakup.
Come, believe it. Don't
Tell him no
care.
baby daddy. Baby daddy tell him no.
I got somebody that said, Lord God.
Chat on the shoot on the first triple do. The lower kind not gonna recover, so I tell you the truth, but my head start happening. I swear, it's so
When
heavy.
the universe are true today, oh God.
I say go Van, me happy phone Van. I feel me there tomorrow.
Use the
Yeah,
first
there
super chat.
tomorrow, Fit.
Alright.
So I could really mix I know them I come back tomorrow again, go through university. Now you get
First super chat.
tap line thank you.
Thank
Tap
you,
you
guys.
for the
Thank you,
triple.
darling.
Guys, my
First
question
triple
now.
chat.
My
Triple
question
chat.
now.
Just like girl, shoot for the
My
triple.
question
Use the
now.
first triple chat. Ali.
Shoot.
That will
My
make sure no
question
follow
now.
Ali, you know.
Sweet, thank you.
Follow her
My
up.
question now.
Do it for the first
I
triple
tell you,
chat.
baby,
Do it for the
Starbucks.
first triple chat.
Yes.
Do it for the first
Where's the
triple
people them
chat. One
shoot?
more
You
wait.
can find some giffy,
Give me
man.
one more wait.
Thank
Give me
you,
one more
Mocha.
wait.
Thank you, baby.
Alright. Nice. That no bad. God bless. Thank you, darling. Big up yourself.
Yes, me like when I no behave, so it make me feel better. I love you know. Chat follow me gift to them. Someone want to no behave over your hat. No want to no
That's
come
Ali
forth
then
also.
number one bubble. Follow her.
Oh.
Follow number two bubble for me. They can big up yourself.
Guys, the people, you need 50, follow 50, why you need 50 more follow? Hey, from, me tired from, you don't get followers, you know? I'm more tired. I was asleep. I can't see him right here, so from the camera. I'm asleep.
7 more followers for 200,000. For 2,000. So you tell me that for darling, you send me nothing.
Starboy never give me a question. Oh, unique. No flow. Cause me, I go win, you know. I'm gonna go win this. No, me have a right question. That make me win. I need to know something very important. Fast. What more? Like, thank you. Yeah. Thank you, man. So cute. Thank you.
Somebody say, hey, darling. Somebody say, hey, darling. I ain't gotta do a lot of flexing. Shawty, you already know what it is.
Jabas. Them a figure rub me over here, but me I got foreign.
No man, you gotta reach. You gotta reach. Me tell you, me give you
Rub me, you know. Me I got foreign.
me give you a date, you know. Me give you a date, you know, bro.
My mind is made up. I'm going
Work
to
with a
foreign.
date, work with a date there. Work with a date there, bro.
Me I got foreign.
Work with the date. Oh. That's so nice. And this one, Vigarito, Ivani, Janice, Javi, JJ. It's a lover's affair night. The flight is confirmed. Green heart in the chat. Green heart in the chat. That is it.
Daddy's home. And I know you've been waiting for this love.
Snap.
Don't go no chat, don't follow the people there. Pause the music. Pause the music.
Marsha, thank you, baby.
Pause the music there.
Oh boy, Chef Latoya, thank you, baby.
Thank you,
Casey.
chat.
So to no follow me MVP them. Say Ali the
Follow
right.
people them chat.
Yeah, and follow you.
Hello. Hello. Hi, Vanny.
Girl, you make it cocky, get up at a stick. The pussy fat, no little boy can't span it. The pussy
Put in the video, remember wanted. You know?
crosses, the flawless. Put your pussy on my dick and make us start sex. Now your pussy put it down in the carpet.
Vanny. Listen to me, I said, no, Vanny. Is there any time in your life after everything you reminisce and miss him sometime?
To be honest, before when him never come on TikTok, no, cause me never did remember about him, cause me never that see him. But when me used to scroll, me used to come on my fake page, cause me want the people them see me. Me never know if him not gonna run me off I'm live, so me used to come on my fake page and sit down and listen to the galley story them when we used to talk.
Good. Figure it out. Any given time, while everything are going, you reminisce back on her sometime, I think about her or go check on her and watch her see what go on.
Me did eat her blood clot few things about share do me in about. I think about her. Jabas. Bro, me not think gonna you see me that bro. Enough for them head a joke thing in but you see that baby there when me lose, brother. It kinda damage, it hurt me bro.
I understand. Nobody start cutting the onion no do.
Nah man, it good. But me have to think about her, man, bro.
Mommy died. Oh.
Alright, so next question, figure it out. You really and truly make up your mind, say you would have go out and try if you reach to where she is now. Alright. Next question, Vanny. You would have try if you make sure say everything go good if you make sure say you reach up where you're there for there, which you're there forever.
Yeah.
Hey! Holy Ghost! Over my shoulder. Yeah, go foreign. You not start packing suitcase yet?
You still have to ask my question now.
Yeah, go ahead, bro. You don't have me question, guy. I get me score and ask.
Okay. Kind of people grow up, people change, people mentality get different. So I want to know what are your three, how I put it now?
Yo, look in that fridge door. This is one of them. I pass it, give me over nice.
Like, so how you put it? Like, what are three things you would like to see your woman do? Like 3 things you know like you would want to see her do. Where we're like,
Alright, so the first thing about the one I'm gonna do.
Oh, yeah, go. You not get no money?
I see now my mental state
deal
on free.
breakers, yeah.
Now my mental state on free the ideal girlfriend.
You not get no money? Nah, tell him.
No, I'm
Never shut up.
Now I'm a girl become man. That's rule number 1. First thing first, when you come on to other man, more you be a meanie. Me alone if you like. Everybody else feel sick your stomach and turn you off. You know what I mean? And the third thing, just be a lady and be yourself.
Okay. Second question.
Divine, I see you.
Give me 3 things that could possibly likely get you jealous.
Man.
What? That's the 3 same thing. 3 different things.
Alright, I'm the type of guy, me not really make no bother me in a specific type of way because I always give my woman the benefit of the doubt. You see me? But that not say me not jealous. I don't like to see my girl acting all friendly with somebody. You see me? I hate it. And what else to get me jealous? You already know. You're not doing the petty things I'm already, man.
No, but your mindset, your people growing and people adapt new mindset, new lifestyle.
You see the same things them when me did eat back then. I still eat them today.
Oh, well.
Not being jealous and all of that. I still am. The flirting, nah.
That's a bit. Yo, the people them just keep on going. All right, good. Jabba, you have something you want to say?
Oh, darling, it's alright.
Okay, good.
Ramona, making a wait, baby, man. Send it back again now, man.
Mm-hmm.
Got to use the first triple again. Same treatment.
Alright,
I
use the first triple I know, chat. Focus. You can't win that one I know, team.
Ramona, come on. I take biggest. I'm not big at all, bro. I just see. The club open. I go at me for them. I go. If me there for the
Who's
club.
the first triple team? First triple
Guys,
chat.
first triple.
Let's see, when you mix up in that chat, no go ahead.
First triple chat.
That girl, Macy. Yes, triple chat, triple.
Alright.
Triple shoot.
First
That
triple.
shows it. Thank you, darling.
My
Use the first
girl,
triple
pipe down,
for me.
pipe
Use
down,
the
pipe
first
down.
triple chat. Nikki. Thank you,
And the
darling.
baby step to Lord.
All of me
Go
done
guys,
them
go
in
for the
my
triple,
life.
go for the triple, go for the triple.
Team, go up on the first
Team
triple
shoot.
chat.
Marsha, thank you, baby, for that. Thank you, baby. Go for the triple, go for the triple.
They're gonna set me up on the first triple chat.
Yes!
Oh, God.
30K on your heads, how pipe down. No, if you thank you, baby, Sina, thank you, baby,
You
Chef,
can
thank
cut down
you.
30K now. Just drop one, you can drop right.
So thank you,
That
baby,
shows it. Thank
Kel.
you.
Guys, shoot. We don't got to worry, they're pop.
We can cut down 30K, man. Just shoot my team. At our time now, chat. We have no gloves. Beg no one. Oh, no gloves. Gloves not play. I forgot.
How the rascal? You don't say we're buying 5 that figure.
Me on that too.
What?
Gloves not
Lord
play.
Jesus. Chat, I don't even know so if them do a plan for shoot, them get discouraged and then stop shoot.
Alright, team. I could play now. What's the sound?
Give mommy one.
I could play now, team.
Here, wipe your nose.
I could play.
Oh, you come past the wipe it
No, what kind of question that you know tell me?
Boo.
Do. Come wipe your nose.
We not even know if we are winning.
Come. Ice, come. Ice, come.
Yeah, man, go and play it ice. You're going to lose. You're going to answer question to the rascal, man.
You love the ramping. Come. You see, I'm going to tell them sneaky.
Chat, snipe up no team.
That boot something that looks scary, like you just see one boot and you just
Snipe
not
team.
have
We
no
have to
body
play for
here.
win, chat.
Come.
Snipe up
Wipe
team. We
your
have to
nose.
play for win team. Snipe up chat. We have to play for win chat. Snipe up team.
Oh, boy.
Snipe up team. We have to play for
Marsha,
win.
thank
chat.
you, baby.
Snipe
Bala,
up team. We have
thank
to
you.
play for win. Snipe up team. When I tell me if you ask question, we don't even know if we are going to win chat. Snipe
Hold on,
up team. We have to play for win chat.
Let me
Snipe
check
up
it. Let
team.
me check it. Let me check it. Let me check it. Let me
Still
check
that
it.
last place chat. Snipe up team.
Let me
Snipe
check
up
it. Let
team.
me check it. Let me check it.
Snipe up the side. Snipe up team. Snipe up team. Jesus.
I mean, no Jabba still to the day. Jabba's the 200K followers.
Snipe up team. Snipe up team.
Jabba's the
Snipe up chat. Snipe
300K.
up team. Snipe up
I never
team.
really plan for me never really
Snipe up team.
me
Snipe up chat.
never really give no followers to put
Wipe your
on.
nose.
You know, people don't ever win chat, you not tell me.
Wipe your nose.
Money.
What you mean, no? Wipe your
Money.
nose.
Remember some big page when I did lose at 300 I did it there no.
We
So
don't
no
know
yeah,
if
so.
you have to focus chat.
Wipe your nose. Here.
Chat, all I know follow me now, chat, please. You got 208K, me the 207. No follow me. No follow me, chat. Thank you. Here, big up on yourself. Love you.
Thank you. Thank you. He said thank you. He said share.
Yeah, man, I still no follow, man. Tashana, chosen one. Chat, you know, push your figure it out. Push your figure it out. Score me here. Figure it out question, no, man.
Follow me gift of them in a number one.
No, chat. Merle, thank you, baby. Marshall, thank you, baby.
Why you figure it out a question, no?
They want to ask me question, man. I saw the time. Chat,
Man, they still big up
Let me see.
Yeah, man.
Thank you, darling. Snipe again, chat. Come. Miss Chin. You know, the Galaxy put on, darling. Tanisha.
More you
Yeah,
figure
man.
it out the
Snipe
accent.
again, chat.
If you go up some more, man, you know over there.
Pretty kitty. Thank you. Go up again, chat. She have sniper over there.
No, over there,
Alpha,
and push up the score,
thank you,
man. I tell
darling.
him.
Go up again, chat. Push up the score, my team. Push up the score, chat. Go up again, my team. Push up the score, chat. Pretty kitty. Thank you, honey. Push up the score, chat.
Snipe,
That was too
snipe,
too close.
snipe,
But you can
snipe,
snipe the
snipe,
stick.
snipe,
Everybody snipe together.
snipe, snipe,
Them
snipe,
stick can
snipe,
snipe
snipe.
too.
Be
Everybody snipe
careful,
together,
Papa, be
chat.
careful. Snipe, 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 snipe.
Everybody snipe together, chat. Miss Chin, thank you, sweetie.
What is
Everybody
this?
snipe together,
Oh,
chat. Snipe
popular.
together, my team.
Oh, you're ranking a popular. I'm the
Thank you.
47.
Everybody snipe together, chat. If she get a kitten or a jet, she win in a team. Snipe.
Chat, thank you for your 208k followers. Love on you here.
Thank you.
We follow everybody in our
Appreciate it, appreciate it. Oh, you're ranking a popular.
Anisha, Adele, Arfa.
Yeah, I said the popular gift, but we're not really focused on popular right now. We are focused on the question in them.
Follow them for me, the chat.
MVP. Me still gonna say 1 star boy. MVP Marisha, thank you, baby. Might. Shen, star boy, Candy, baby, Chrome, KC. What's up, sir? Alright, so
You're what?
what is my question?
Man, it's something important. Hold on.
Shut me up,
I want to know if I can be my woman officially still.
We.
Huh?
And me not just want you jump and answer. I want you think before you answer.
You're asking me to be a woman?
Officially.
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 You know why me can't ask so? Because it's not like it new. You know what I'm with? Like we
Exactly, my brother.
It's not like we just meet each other when me can say yo. You
Exactly.
already know me and me know you.
Good girl, good what? I see him to me, that's it, bro.
You see me? You already know me and me know you.
You hot.
I can go with that.
Vanny, sit up in your camera, girl. Sit up in your camera and answer your man the question like you want to answer your man. You don't hide one side, but I can go with that. Come here, so come answer.
No, true. True. But I'll put on joke aside. Watch that. No, seriously. Seriously. Yes.
For my second question, I got double that and ask you again. You sure?
You sure? Me like when people me like the era with me in and I really like when people mess up my head. So you sure?
Let me ask the question.
Okay, yes.
I gotta ask you again because you blink. One again, I'm not hear you.
Not true, me smile. Me can't stop smiling. Me try stop smiling about it now.
Don't blink, Vanny, don't blink.
Yes.
So chat is officially.
Oh, me so good.
Today, how much am I?
I have to stop love.
Today, how much am I, chat?
Today's the 20.
The 20th of May, 2026, 12:54 Jamaican time. It is officially. They have been reunited and they have been making lots of great moves and figure it out. Just ask the question. He popped the question and the question was answered by Ivani Janice Wright. And it was yes. So officially right now, chat, welcome, Mr. and Mrs. Figured It Out.
Oh God, me have a question there.
I've won the match was darling.
Guys, at my time now, come seriously.
Mommy.
Well, I'm glad me there for this. That was the number I'm going to bed.
You sweet, yeah.
Bad.
Oh, you left you out, man.
Thank you.
If you ice a beat, me should say 1, 2, 3 until 1, 2, 3.
First double chat.
Team, first double chat.
Boo-boo.
Use the first double for me, them team.
My time, no, my
First
time,
double
no,
shot,
my
first
time,
double
no,
shot.
my
Team,
time, no,
that
my
not
time, no,
that
my
you
time,
can't play
no.
games.
Marsha,
You have
thank
to
you.
play,
Chop,
team.
thank you. Tammy,
You
thank
can't
you.
play games a chat. We have to play. Make sure fight for your question, them, no, man.
No, it's my time now. We're fighting. Shiki, thank you, baby. It's my time. You don't see, can't you see?
Yes, thank you,
I
man.
Can't fight. The team just
only
sorry
can.
for you, what?
My dad. Meow.
Thank you for your Galaxy, man.
Meow. Star boy.
Team,
Say
19
meow.
Galaxy, catch that in a chat. We need
Cooley.
19 Galaxy
Thank
out of
you.
gift gallery, my team.
I'm going to give you a pen. You want one pen?
See that chat.
Here.
Everybody click this and send a
Wait.
Galaxy.
I'll give you a pen.
We
Hold
want
on.
19 more team. Everybody click that and send a Galaxy. If I even 1 or 2 out of chat.
I'm going to give you a pen.
Everybody click that and send a Galaxy team. Click that and send a Galaxy chat.
Here. One night. Thank
Send a
you.
Galaxy chat. Yeah,
I gotta
man,
think
Nikki,
about this
thank you,
question.
darling.
I gotta think about
Nikki,
this
call
question.
and send a Galaxy chat. See Nikki they send one. 18 more and we catch her.
I gotta think about this question.
I think boy question already and the match not done.
No, I'm here with my win already. You can't catch up.
18 Galaxy catch her team. That was a interesting name.
Then a 10% with me hard. How me get 5?
I asked them they already.
Kayla, thank you for your Galaxy. Alright team, see it there? Beg on no one more chat. We want 17 more Galaxy now team and we catch her. 17 more Galaxy. Shockstar. Big up. 16 more Galaxy now my team. 16 different people send a Galaxy chat and we catch her. 16 more people, 1 Galaxy team. And that up a big up. Move in silence. Thank you. See that?
What is that?
15 more Galaxy now my chat. Nikki, thank you.
Figure it out.
14 more Galaxy now my team. Successful. Adele Rich. Thank you. 13 more Galaxy now chat. Look how fast we catch her if we get the Galaxy them. 13 more Galaxy my team. Remember gloves now play. 1 cocoa full basket.
Bro, no stop saying me greedy no man. Why you not say me greedy, bro? Me can't eat look of food.
13 more Galaxy my team. Everybody we can drop a Galaxy. Drop 1 chat.
Me come here go like a 15 dumpling.
Legendary in nothing.
Mr. Vani,
Drop Galaxy. Drop Galaxy team.
I
Drop.
mean nobody will.
Me she fight.
No, comment me a remote question.
Drop Galaxy chat. Drop Galaxy team.
That job gets some more. You better plan the answer.
Drop Galaxy. Move in silence. Thank you. Drop Galaxy chat. We can catch her.
That Tony want
We want 12 more. Thank you.
Thank
Drop Galaxy
you.
me team. Nikki, thank you. Drop Galaxy me chat. How much more I want now, team? I want 10 more Galaxy.
Chat. Alright, you want know. Are we decide who win? Are we decide who win now? See it?
Hey boy Jabba, shut up now man.
Then you may go say more food nice.
Your blood
Are
clot.
you me don't say more food nice? Sorry then. Me Vani winning chat. Are you me don't say no?
Let that be no one say. Go ahead.
Yeah. I want this one. What I'm say?
Or you mute me?
No, but through me that I read comments.
Move in silence. Thank you, chat. Everybody drop a Galaxy or a wheel team.
He's
Drop a
trying.
Galaxy or a wheel chat. 20
He's
seconds
trying.
left.
Okay.
The mommy one.
Drop
Look.
a Galaxy or a wheel, my team.
And I'm bed me I go in a movie come I forget to bring the man.
You can work together.
He's trying.
You powder season them.
I stick it.
Never get the powder season them, you know. So I'm get the powder season them, you see me?
You there? Sit up in a bed. No man and the whole world I watch you. Oh.
Tell us you can't win. You do not know who the hell might delete later. Might delete later. Thank you. Marsha, thank you. Unroll tickers. Thank you, baby. Starboy, Colleen, thank you, my love. Okay.
Follow the girl and follow Moving Silence, follow Nikki, follow Adele, follow Slim,
Thank you,
follow
baby. You know what time it is, girl. You know what time it is. Okay, my first question is, how do you like your relationship? What's that? What they say? What they saying? Say private but not what?
From this moment.
How you like your relationship? Like, even though social media will know, there's a lot of things they don't want to be talked about on here. Private but not a secret.
Alright. With a relationship, if we have issues, keep the issues confidential and communicate with me. You see me? That I look for. No, you know, expect to see it bring upon the media or none of that. If it's confidential, just bring it to me.
Okay.
Something where I hurt you, bring it to me. I'll talk about it and we fix it.
Alright. Next question. When last you do? How long ago you do? You gotta tell the truth now.
About a month ago. About a month ago.
Okay. Jabba go figure it out now.
About a month ago.
Okay. Come. Jabba say something you want to say?
Jabba, stop it. What do you mean with going how much question on the wine I want, so?
How you do that work?
What?
I know your comment section. In chat.
Yo, John, dog. You see you, yo, I don't know what me have you over your file. Chat, use that double F for me, them team.
Somebody else said 3 months, 4 months, them lie.
Use the double chat.
Chicky!
It's a start.
Chicky, come, we gonna ask another one.
But I want to
Starboy!
ask the question now in a team.
Starboy! Kabisha!
Never say I like
Use the double
Thank
team.
you.
Come on,
Clock it.
yes.
Anthony, thank you, guys. Times two.
4 months.
Me and Ask President around here. Shen, thank you, baby. Anthony, thank you.
That was my boss, my.
No, man, tell them something go 4 months without having sex, so, you know.
It's understandable, Jamas.
Thank you, team. Everybody drop a galaxy.
Adi, baby.
Give me the
Question.
What you mean, Jatoni? No, if females
Let
are
me win, chat. Alright.
I'm gonna throw the
You want to
video
tell me what
there.
to do? Make me win.
Yeah, brother, 4. Me know woman go out 4 or 5 years, bro. You man them can do it better than
Let me win then, the chat. Everybody drop a galaxy then, team.
Catch disease, no, it's not, it's
No, go on over there, go finish enjoy the show.
please.
No, go on over there, because listen.
You know what I say?
I wanna be there now.
I know where I go and chat. So everybody we can drop a galaxy, drop a
Come
galaxy.
over there, man. Everybody fuckery. So we can go on over there.
One man can
Finish
stop
watching.
Turn your phone and drop asleep now.
Watch them all.
The earphone in 8 days.
But me, I go on my bed. I go on my bed.
Hey guys, make sure to follow me, because I follow
you. Supported me. Thank you for giving me
Make sure to follow me too.
If you like celebrity.
Thank you.
Want to afford. I want to give me. I appreciate all of them. You're always there for no chat. Kisses and hugs right through. I love you so much.
Make you ask her a question, chat.
Together we are.
I'm winning, I'm up.
Until that
I'm
goes
up.
by.
5,000, I'm up.
9 o'clock
I'm
at
not
night.
down, I'm up.
Love
W.
you. Give me a kiss. Mwah. Give me a kiss, boobies. Mwah.
What is somebody else talking
Give
about?
me kiss, boobies. Mwah. That is it. Mwah. Oh, so much I know. Mwah. Love you. Bye bye, okay? 7. Yeah, love on me. I go bed and go sleep. And I go lie down and watch a couple of them. But me
Baby,
have
you're
to go lay
not
down now
baby.
because tomorrow is a long day. Brush your teeth. Why you not go? Alright.
Guys, we get our hair done tomorrow. Shit, I missed my appointment tomorrow.
You got Valley, don't come off, 3 o'clock, okay?
Don't come off 3 o'clock.
Don't come off 3. Run till 3.
Jacqueline, thank you, darling.
Yeah, rank. What number you there?
You know about that tonight, you know? Me not ranking it, darling.
Number 3.
Me say, you know about that, I told me last night, you know? You know about that, you know? Me not ranking, me good. Me alright.
But yeah, I mean, thing for still.
Yeah, but remember you get back your baby father now, girl.
No,
So-
I said ranking finish 3 o'clock for them.
Yeah, this is the best company right now, darling. Trust me on that.
I don't need your company right now. You can check back tomorrow.
Yeah,
You can check me tomorrow.
you're a good company, man. Figure it out. Take care of yourself, yeah, Papa?
Yes, sister, girl. Enjoy your name.
Yeah, I'm not going to do now, though. Me I go watch you now. Chat, look, jump over, come here, go away, bro.
Alright, my sister. Bless up yourself.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
come live tomorrow, today.
As cock take off in jazz, darling. Early. Later, here.
Bye, take care.
Alright. Chat, look, I'm going.
Oh, you love laugh so.
Ayala. Millie, thank you. Snapchat, Snapchat, Snapchat. Your blood clot, yeah.
Oh no! What type of sniping is that? Starboy, them trick way. Starboy, thank you, baby. Shen, Kimi, Shiki, I want it, Shiki. I want it. Liar, sensation.
Follow Millie, follow Nikki, follow Tati.
Kadi, it's sweet. Biscuit with the good. Biscuit with the good. Shanice, thank you, baby. 60 tickers. Guys, me have the red birds tomorrow. Maybe
Alright.
red birds.
What are some things we want me change?
My change. So as me say, people we say them are the same person, you know, we say them are the same person from the past, but then growing up you can be a whole different person, which I don't really think me know some of that yet. Some of that have to watch it first and see, and then because we can't judge it based on what I see on the internet. So I feel like kind of like starting over and get for know this adult Javi, and then but differently me know it change them.
Well, last I give away pum pum, darling.
Huh?
Last I give away pum pum.
Halloween night. When was Halloween?
But you not tell me how in Halloween the place at Jamaica.
October 30. Sorry. October 31st.
Hello?
Sir. Them in my life, them can't tell. It's true, man. They want like a Yankee, and things shift. That was the last time for true. The last October 31st. I asked them.
So that mean the pum pum basically brand new then?
So your eyes. Well, listen to me. Hey, give me my Red Bull. You can't drink Red
I
Bull.
sleep with them, my bag.
No, I said trouble. I said some. You want me Red Bull? No, true. No, them not listen. I'm here to if you tell her that, I'm here to. I'm curious. What am I say?
Boy, they must say a bag of things, but you know me not answer. Me not listen comment section, man. Me not listen what you are saying.
No, true. Guys, double my time for ask. Double. Shiki, thank you, baby. Shiki. No, baby. You can't get all of
You're
my.
wrong team. Use the double chat. Use the double team.
No.
You're wrong chat. Use it now, man. Chat at 1 o'clock, you know. 10,000 now, no?
No, leave my book alone. Mikael. Thank you, my love.
So not tired.
No, you can't get that. Are you trying to fight me off?
I'm not tired.
Bro, what kind of...
I'm not tired.
This is since lately, anytime I get trouble, I hit him ball out this, that thing.
So,
Guys, look what Ice do my ground.
Yeah.
What you mean, yeah? Go pick them up. Hey, pick them up. Pick them up. Come. Say hi. Hi, Chad. Look. Wow. Say hi.
I said,
Ice do another talking. I said I'm staying like sleep. You're not messing up my...
Rose's chat. Rose's team. Rose's chat.
Bro, my family, I'm full of everybody.
Rose's chat. Roses.
Take these up.
4 more. That is it, team. Respect.
God, catch a speed. Bro, why this positive thing always coming up on my screen?
Alright, chat. Use a double team. Double chat. Use the double team.
This is my one.
Double team.
My Red Bull.
Double team. Man, thank you, darling. Team member, follow the gift of them, yeah?
Pipe down.
Follow the gifters, chat. Jacqueline, thank you, darling. Follow the gifters, team. Use the double chat. Chat, one wheel and one win. One wheel pan the double. And we
Double.
See that? Miss too cute. Thank you. Use the double again, chat. Somebody different now. KD, thank you. That thing about your question, them think about for win.
Fuck.
Really? Thank you. Think about for win. Yeah. K, thank you, darling. I'm sorry for you.
I mean, have one good question, you know?
Well, the sensation better play for that question.
Guys, we have one good question.
Listen. You know, chat, you know why she have to pay for the question?
Landry, thank you.
Square? You see them question where I ask? Them are gonna beat my blood clot a morning. So I guess I'll go on. She have to go fight for you ask the question them. So me I say chat, she have to fight for hear the question them. Yeah.
The tables can turn. You say, oh, you sniped me long a while ago. Watch this. We'll have gloves. Put up our gloves 30 seconds.
Show me what you can do.
Girls, all right, watch this. Goldie, put belt to ass. Goldie, belt to ass.
Show me what you can do.
Goldie, belt to ass. Show you what I can do. Goldie, put belt to ass. Belt to ass. Belt to ass.
I pray, sister.
Cut it.
She can't play gloves. Gloves not play. If gloves did not play, we not win a match. And that's why I say no gloves.
All right, snap up. Wheel, jet.
Snipe up.
Cut it. Goldie! Hey, leave the dog alone. Get up. Put it down. Jesus Christ, the ice now. Listen, me go get for. Yes!
You can't catch
That's not yours. Put it down. That's for Louis. Put it down. This is yours.
My darling, them. Listen to me.
Come, bro. If I have to bring you upstairs.
Listen to me. I love you too, bro. But if you not have work a morning, who want sleep, go sleep. I love you too, but all who want sleep, go sleep. Alright? Nobody, because all I look at that man, I know someone tired.
You want a cartoon? Here. And don't use my phone text nobody because you.
Mommy.
Mommy, my baby.
Mommy.
Yeah, he wanna. Okay. Here. Bye bye. You see how I'm rude? Goldie! Michaela, thank you, my love. Mace, Marshall, Langit. Can't win
No
them.
man, them know so them for follow man chat. Man, I have to tell them. Them know them for follow. Team, no follow each other for me, please and thank you.
Sure, no follow me because
Follow each other. Hi Jabba, so
me ain't gonna make them follow Uni, you know. Huh?
Papa.
Phone. The ads.
Papa.
Phone.
Papa.
Girl, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss first. Give me a kiss. No.
Ma.
Alright.
You gotta stop touching my phone, bro.
Love. The question I go serious.
Laugh.
No, I say love. The question I go serious. So no way I do a little thing, I know. Are you still gonna do OF?
I
Jesus Christ. Chat me. Oh, me I gotta read the comments. Them a fly. They have X, the app.
eh?
Are you a member of X?
X.
You know the app name X, man. Come on, darling. You know what I'm
What you
talking
talking
about.
about?
Twitter.
The T word.
Yeah.
If I'm on there,
Yeah.
yeah.
Are you even real? What did I make you up? Got this on my life. Wanna give me love. They gotta search, but I can get it up. You're so beautiful, spiritual, more like a miracle. I don't scared of you. I be invisible. Too good to be true.
Alexa, turn the volume up, baby.
Are you? Made up in my head, are you in my bedroom? Questions that I asked ever since I met you. Tell me, are you?
Tap the screen.
Looking at you and you're right there. Are you from this world? I swear you're beautiful, spiritual. I just want you to know. Is it I pretend it's something I'm in real? I don't know what to think. If it's all a dream, I don't wanna wait.
Are you in my bedroom? In my bedroom. Questions that I asked ever since I met you. Are you something? From a dream. Are you?
I'd rather be a fool. Oh my God, tap the screen, baby. Come on, yo. I'ma tap the screen and show you how to do it. Like this. Tap the screen. Tap the goddamn screen. Who wanna come in the back? I'm here. I'm just wanna, you know, had some fun and leave. Speak to somebody.